In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code in WordPress quickly and simply. Whether you're looking to customize your site or you just want to add unique elements, knowing how to incorporate your own HTML code can be incredibly useful. Now let's get right into it. First, we're going to start by navigating to wordpress.com. This is where all the magic begins. After you've opened your web browser, type in wordpress.com in the address bar and hit enter. Once the site loads, the next step is to log into your account. If you already have an account, simply click on the login button. If you're using your Google account to log in, click on continue with Google. This option makes it seamless if your Google account is already set up on your browser. Once you've clicked that, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Select the one associated with your WordPress site. You are now logged in and ready to proceed. In your WordPress dashboard, look towards the right panel under quick links. There you'll find an option labeled edit site. Clicking on this will take you to the site editor, which is a central hub where you can make edits to your website. Next, click on your website. You'll be directed to the editorial section of your site, where you can tweak and customize to your heart's content. Look for an option on the top right corner of your screen. This is often represented by 3 dots or lines indicating settings or more actions. Click on options to proceed to the next stage. In the options menu, there is an important tool for us to use, the code editor. Clicking on Code Editor will switch the current view from the visual editor to a text-based editor, where you can freely input or modify HTML code. This editor is ideal for those who want finer control over the elements on their page. With the Code Editor open, you can now start editing your HTML code. This step is crucial as it allows you to inject custom code snippets, which can define styles, alter structures, or add functionality not available through standard widget options. Once you're satisfied with your changes, don't forget to click Save. This ensures that all your hard work is preserved and appears correctly on your site. Adding HTML code to your WordPress site can transform it, making it more dynamic and customized to fit your exact needs. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate custom HTML into your WordPress site, opening up a world of new possibilities. Thanks for watching and happy coding.